What is up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. So today, since it's December 1st, we have decided to do a Vlogmas. Okay, so hindi naman talaga tayo vlogger per se, but I really want to do this and I really want to share this with you because, well, unang-una, hindi ko na talaga alam, guys, kung anong gusto kong gawin sa buhay ko. You know, kung ano na lang tinatry ko, and well, alam mo yung mga edad na wala ka ng idea kung anong gusto mong gawin. So you keep on just trying until you find something na talagang nagsispark ng joy and fire sa buong buhay mo. So, another thing or another reason kung bakit tinatry ko mag-vlog, especially this December, is because masyado na kasing routinary. Alam mo yun, nagiging routinary na yung life natin with this pandemic. Siyempre, nasa bahay lang. So, ito na lang ba? Hanggang dito na lang ba ang buhay ko? Gigising, magluluto, kakain, mag-tutor, matutulog, and so on and so forth. So, at least man lang, ngayong December, it's the last month of the year. Alam mo yun? I'm gonna do something na, like, iba sa mga ginagawa ko before. And since meron naman tayong time, so why not, diba? Yung quarantine and pandemic season and nasa bahay lang tayo, siguro naman wala na akong excuse. Plus, I'm so excited to share this with you, so I'm gonna do unboxing. So before we head into the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So ayan na nga. Okay. Bago tayo mag-unboxing, so a little backstory. So the reason I have ordered these items is because I received a very special birthday gift last November, which is... Ta-da! Well, this is an oven. Okay. This is my birthday gift. The birthday gift that I received last November. And I really want to try baking. So before kasi ang ginagamit ko lang na oven into baking and cooking something or trying things is yung oven toaster. Maliit na oven toaster lang. So doon din ako nag-bake ng oyster na binibili nyo sa oyster weekends. So, sa mga gustong bumili ng oyster dyan, it's available every weekend. Paki-follow nyo na lang sa Instagram ang Yes Only Weekend. So, nagbibenta. Nagluluto kami ng mga oysters every weekend lang. Well, anyway, so yun na nga. Doon ko siya ginagamit sa oven toaster lang. So, minsan talaga, nadadala din yung mga parinig. Kaya, binilhan nila ako ng oven. And now, hindi ko na po nahintay ang 12-12. Can't wait na talaga. Kaya I've ordered these items and I've decided to do the unboxing with you since, well, para siya yung first entry ko sa vlog. So the first item that we have here is this one. So, huwag kayong mag-alala kasi na disinfect na to, napaarawan na to sa alright. Okay. So, these are... I feel ko dun man tayo sila sa items. Tada! So, these are baking... Yes, baker. Baking suklats. Para i-career na natin ang pagbebake dahil madami naman tayong time to try cooking and all that. So, yun. I think, isa sa mga magandang nangyari sa akin this lockdown or this pandemic is nahon yung skills ko into cooking. Kasi although before, nagluluto naman na talaga ako. Pero, like yung mga lutong requires a lot of effort and time, ngayon ko lang siya nabigyan ng panahon. Okay. So, nagtatry na rin tayo maggawa ng roasted chicken, baked ganto, brownies, crinkles, and all that. So, kaya, with this bigger oven, kinareer ko na po talaga siya. Kaya nag-order na tayo ng first item on our list is this is a baking paper, non-stick parchment paper para sa mga brownies, cookies, crinkles, and all that. I also have this strainer para sa flour. Small version. I also ordered this digital weighing scale. Isang battery. Okay, so this, yeah. Siguro nakikita nyo naman na to. Digital weighing scale para sa measurements. Kasi one thing na alam kong pinagkaiba ng baking sa cooking talaga. Sa baking, kailangan tamang sukat talaga. And then, tamang ingredients yung ilalagay mo. Unlike cooking, na pwede kang mag-substitute ng ganito, dagdag bawas, ganyan. Sa baking, kailangan bago mo siya isa lang sa oven. Perfect talaga siya. Perfect yung measurements, perfect yung nilagay mong condition ng ingredients, and all that. Para yung kakalabasan ng binake mo is in perfect condition din siya. Ano to? Okay. Nakalimutan ko na. Alright. Okay. Yes. Sabi ko, bakit bilog na naman? Another strainer na naman ba ito? Okay. So, nakita ko ito kay Lorraine, Uy, and kay David. So, ito yung lalagyan siya ng mga condiments. So, para iputin mo na lang siya ganyan. So, it's called Multifunctional Non-Stick Rotating Storage Tray. So, ito siya. Ayun. Para sa pag-organize. So, alam nyo kasi, dito talaga sa bahay. Siguro, simulang March hanggang ngayon, siguro more than 5 times na kaming pag-arrange, linis, tapon, declutter ng mga gaan. Hindi kami nakokontento. And, well, oh my God, ang laki. Parang hindi ka ako sa oven. Talaga. Hindi ka sa bakit? Maliit lang naman yung kinuha ko. Hindi ko siya. It's a fail. Pero maganda yung quality, pero it's a fail, guys. Kasi siguro pag lumaki pa yung oven. And I also got this non-stick cookware para sa mga bread, loaf. Ay, kasha naman siya. So, these are the items that I got for the baking. Well, the strainer, the parchment paper, this weighing scale, kitchen scale, and the rotating tray. So, that's the first package. Moving on to our next package. So, these are ingredients naman for baking. So, yung kanina are the gamit. Kasi nag-i-English pa. Gamit sa baking. And ngayon naman are ingredients. Well, dahil hindi tayo makapag-rosaries. Wow! Well, individually shrink wrap. Kudos to the seller. So, this is instant dry yeast. Hindi ko nabuksan. Nakakapagod. Ooh. And we also have this. Oh. Grabe. Medyo ng mga muscles ko sa pagtatanggal ng mga bubble wrap. Okay. Pa isa. Pero maganda naman yun. Kasi at least, safe naman yung mga binibili mo, diba? Nag-effort din naman yung seller mag-balot-balot nito sa bubble wrap. Kaya lang, medyo struggle. Buksan. Hindi talaga, kailangan talaga pinaghihirapan, mga bagay-bagay, bago na matuha. Okay, so first we have yung kanina, instant dry yeast. And then, we also have confectioner's powder sugar. Meron na akong biniling cream of tartar. Although, hindi pa alam ko saan siya gagamitin. 25 pesos lang naman itong 50 grams. So, pwede na. And then, I also got skim milk. So, nung bata kasi ako, alam ko, laging bumibili si mama ng skim milk sa paggawa ng pulveron and pastillas. Kaya, malapit sa ko yung skim milk. So, skim milk, 500 grams. And then, flour out. Hindi ko remember. Natatakot kasi ako dun. Kasi baka mag-upit ko. Eh, parang ayun. So, I also got an all-purpose flour. So, impact lang siya. All-purpose flour. And then, these two naman are bread flour. And Panimas ako. Kasi memory talaga ako. At may sabi ka sa akin ng mga sikreto nyo. Asahan nyo, bukas din. Limok ko. Okay. So, this cake flour, bread flour, meron akong in-order ng tatlong klase ng flour. So, nabasa ko kasi na, sometimes, if you're making bread flour, hindi mo pwedeng gamitin yung all-purpose flour, or pwede naman, pero iba yung magiging consistency. So, hindi ko sure kung tama ba yung nasa. Pero, mura lang naman siya, kaya I decided to get one each. So, may parang isa corn flour ata, pero hindi na ako kumuha niya kasi parang ano lang naman siya, substitute something. So, meron din iba-ibang flour kung you're into keto diet or vegan. So, yun. So, that's it. So, that's it guys for the unboxing that we have for the baking edition. So, hindi naman talaga ako mahilig mag-Shopee and Lazada because, well, hashtag Goripot, hashtag tipid talaga tayo. So, ito lang is because, syempre, I really want to prepare very delicious meals for my family. Especially, may bagets kami dito na mahilig kumain. Kaya, ayun. And for the holidays, I'm gonna try some recipes, easy recipes that I will be sharing with you then. This Vlogmas edition. Kaya, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed, guys. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you like it. See you in the next vlog!